So good news is
no spots.
No spots. Flawless. Hello people.
Hi.
Guess what? We are filming with our Canon G7X.
We got it back today.
Got the call this morning.
Yep.
And I was gonna start the vlog with the Sony, but then I thought no, just go and get it and pick it up. So we just picked it up about half an hour ago. And decided to do a vlog, even though a vlog wasn't planned for today.
No.
You know, but
well, we did say we was going to because it was a special day. We asked our subscribers or viewers to guess whose birthday it was.
yeah, yeah. Except to guess whose birthday it was, you know. So a few people participated. One person, I think Universal U, believed that it's either both of our birthdays or both of our birthdays or our birthdays being close.
All right.
Well, half right. It's actually Wife for Life's birthday. You know.
I won't say how old I am.
Well, I mean, looking good for our age. We're the same age. You know. We are mid-40s, a little past mid-40s. You know, but we still could claim mid-40s.
Yeah.
But I think in comparison to ages, look real good.
Yeah.
You know. So anyway, considering that we've mentioned Universal U, we should give our post notification shout out to
Universal Me.
Not Universal U.
Yeah. You got that wrong.
We got that wrong. Universal U. So today's post I keep saying, forgive me, Universal Me. Maybe because I'm referring to you, I'm saying it's Universal You, because your name is Universal Me, if you get what I mean. Anyway, post notification shout out today goes to
Universal Me.
Universal Me. Thanks for guessing. Thanks for making the channel fun.
Yeah.
We want to actually head home at the moment, but we have to wait because last week, Wife for Life on our way to work found a bank card. Yeah. And the bank card looks pretty brand new because it hadn't been signed or anything. Tried to find a person on Facebook and other social network who the card might belong to, but the person is a Spanish person, is a Spanish name, and the and the thing about Spanish names, they are plentiful. A lot of people have the same name. So we didn't want to risk it and give it to the wrong person. So we've decided to take it to the bank itself. Yeah. There's a bank here. I don't know if you guys can see over there. Yep, that's the bank being refurbished.
But it doesn't open till 1:30.
1:30. It's not. I think they're closed for lunch at the moment, so we have to wait here for another.
Yeah, you're gonna sit and wait, enjoy a beverage.
Yes. Something is on my face. Something on my face. It's spring, things flying all over your face, and guess what? I can barely touch my face. Did some push-ups for the first time in forever, and the next morning when we woke up, I could still barely touch my face.
I had to help him put his t-shirt on. Oh, jeez.
You know, but we got to put some more exercise in to break that pain.
Yeah.
And then, so that's what's going on for now. We will, you know, get back at you guys as I would develop throughout the day.
Yep.
Yeah. You're doing this, but they can see you clearly.
The sun is in my eyes.
She's not complaining about sun in Switzerland. Sun in Switzerland is it's like finding an oasis in the desert.
Yes.
You know, so we have to appreciate days like this.
So today's events, I'm going to make a cake. I was supposed to make it yesterday, but yesterday I just felt like being very lazy. Yeah. So I didn't do anything yesterday like that. So today I'm going to make a cake.
What did we do yesterday?
Nothing. Hello.
Hello, people.
Hello.
So we've just returned a card to the bank.
Yep.
You know, that's our good deed for the day.
Yeah, we could have, you know, done other things to it,
just,
or with it.
We could have just cut it up, throw it away.
Yeah.
You know, but I like to think if someone finds my bank card, what would I like? You know, what would I like them to do with it? Yeah. You know, so took it back to the bank. But took it back to the bank. I would think the lady that we gave the card probably in her near 50s, maybe a little bit over 50.
Yeah.
She didn't have a clue what to do with it.
No, I don't work in a bank and I would know that. I would look up to see the account holder. Yeah. Contact the account holder.
If the card is not reporting stolen or lost, then you report it. If it has been reporting stolen or lost, then you just cut it up. You understand what I'm saying? So I don't work in a bank, and I know that. You know, if you find a bank card, you either cut it up, or you try to find the person who owns it, or you return it to the bank itself.
Exactly.
Anyway, it just goes to show that, I don't know, some people have jobs and they don't really know what they're doing.
Exactly.
Hello, people. We are back home.
Back home.
And I'm so happy to be looking at this footage at the moment. We really missed, I don't know about her, I missed the G7X. You know? We have decided to do a little quick filming right at this location because this is a part of our passageway. Yeah. And it's usually using, on this camera, Bingy. Which is one of my favorite that my wife for life has drawn. So baby, if you come around this side, so Bingy takes up the whole space, then we could use that to see whether or not the problem has been solved. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pause the vlog real quick. Yep. And check the footage, and hopefully the next clip we'll be celebrating.
Okay, move it across a bit because on our this way.
No, it's always the opposite way.
Yeah, when exactly. So there, and when we watch it, it's gonna be up there, right? Okay. Well, either way, just glide it across so we can see. I did test an independent test before we get home. Outside. Yeah, I'll insert it. I'm not a fan of graffiti, but that graffiti. It's quite nice.
It's nice, so...
Tasteful.
Yes, I'll put it in this just for taste's sake. This is my test shot to see if the camera was indeed fixed. This is a wall with some darkness to it. Not so far from where we live. So, I'm gonna put this on the computer and see whether or not if the problem is fixed. We can do it in the kitchen because it's a G7X. Don't have to worry about lighting. Nope. No, with the G7X is good in low light. So good news is
no spots.
No spots. Flawless. The camera actually feels new. It does.
I think it is a new one because there's something, I don't know, it has a new, because we haven't seen it for a week or so, but
it has a new feel to it. Yeah. And it looks new. Yeah. And but I don't know, I'm gonna use the magnifying glass to look at the serial number. But then again, they probably could keep the serial number and change different
maybe some parts of it.
You know, when you own something, you know, and if someone switches it, you can still tell that it's not, so this feels different, but a better different, you know, it feels new, but, you know, I'm trying to find an example, you know.
No, I know what you mean, it's you know, when you put your car in to be repaired and it's like, the engine, for example, say something went wrong with the engine, and then when you get it back, it runs better than.
Or it runs different. You know,
yeah, you can tell the difference.
Yeah, you can. It feels different. You know, can you get so? But anyway, our baby is back.
Yeah.
And we're happy.
Second baby.
To have him. I'm calling him a him.
Oh, him.
Yeah. So we got two him.
It's a man thing.
I know most things are called.
There's too many hymns in this family.
You know?
There's only me, just the girl.
Should I was about to say, should I femalize? Should I feminize the camera?
Yes.
I'll let that be a vote. Should our Canon G7X be referred to as
him or her?
I go for him. Obviously, she's going for her. You know, so put your input, and then
we'll see.
We'll see what wins out what, and then
I know I've got a couple of votes already.
You know. So we'll see. At a time where we're at now, it's hot, it's sunny. We took a leisurely stroll, you know.
Leisurely.
Yeah, it was leisurely.
Yeah, we took our time.
And now we could crack a bottle. We've got some
white wine,
and it should be nice and chilled. So we'll have that now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, my arms does not have a problem stretching. Oh, I'm recording nonsense. Hold on. Hold on. So, lunch is served.
Lunch. What's the in between breakfast and lunch is brunch? What's between lunch and dinner or tea?
Snack.
Snacks is served.
Snacks served. Just a basic sandwich. I think we had this yesterday or the day before, but we had it one day when we were vlogging. Let me bring us up a little. Yep. And oof, we got a bottle of Rose Creek.
Yeah.
White wine, chilled.
Australian wine.
Australian. You know, somebody, you know, I won't so much tell the world. Somebody. But I think the reference was for an Australian, but what's that one? Merlot. I think it was. I think it was Merlot. Yeah. Well, this is just a white wine, but it's Australian. It's a Chardonnay.
Yep.
And it's screw top. Wife and I have a thing against screw top wines. But it was.
We just bought a few bottles just for the summer.
Yeah, it was warming up, and when it warms up, we kind of back up off of our red wines.
Yeah,
and we go
take
for
the white.
Yeah.
Chilled.
Yeah. So.
What else I was going to say? Oh, you have to take a picture of it.
Of what? Of the wine?
Yeah.
Oh yes, we always take pictures of our wines.
Yeah, we put it on our Instagram.
If you check out our Instagram, Ian and Tina _world.
Yeah.
Then you will see. Yeah. The glasses. It's our own glasses, but we're finding flaws with them. They still got water stain on them. Yeah. That's the OCD in us, not just in me. Yeah. So.
Can you see it with the picture?
Maybe it'd be fine with the picture. Where's my iPhone? Let me get my iPhone. Take a picture. Oops.
Yep, to get those glasses as clean as possible. If you're drinking out of clean glasses. These have got really bad watermarks on them. And the thing is, you wash them by hand. You don't even wash them in the washing what do you call those?
What's that?
Not the washing machine, dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
You don't even use a dishwasher. Normally in dishwashers, you get these terrible watermarks.
But we do a good job. We do a good job at it by just washing it, and don't dry it. Just let it drip dry, especially if it drip dries on
like this,
napkins or something like that. So I'm gonna do my first live Rose Creek. It's the first time I'm gonna ever take a picture while we're filming.
Yeah.
So
it's a good backdrop with if you get the camera doing?
With her the things that she put on the balcony.
Yeah.
Things that you have to put up with as a husband. You know? So I like taking them with my iPhone 7 Plus because it has a portrait mode.
Yeah.
That makes the pictures look so awesome.
So awesome, and in the background it's smudgy.
Yeah.
Is that the word, smudgy?
Yeah. Let's see if I can get a good pic. Yeah, it's not so bad. Check it out. Let me move this glass. You guys see it properly. It's nice.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very professional.
Yes. Very nice. But for a better look at our Instagram and you'll see.
Yeah.
It's nice. Normally I have to take about 6 or 7, but this one is on point. While I'm here, I forgot to mention something in our last vlog.
What was that?
Our second feature. Our second feature. We got featured again in a music online.
Didn't we say that?
Neo Soul mix.
Oh.
No, we didn't say. And it's titled
Osmosis.
Osmosis, and we're featured in it. We're featured at, I can't remember.
I think it's about 21 minutes.
Okay.
Into the video.
Let me see. I'm getting there.
Exactly, yeah.
Bear with us. Well, let me turn this down before our vlog gets flagged. You know. So it's it was 2150, I believe, 2152.
Yeah, say 2150.
2150, I would say.
Starts from 2150.
So if you guys go on to, come on, 2152. 2152. Like, yeah. 2152, it's titled Osmosis, and it's on World's #1 Music Vibe.
Yeah,
so,
and that's mixtape number 23.
That's mistake number 23.
Mixtape.
I said mixtape. No, what did I say? Mistake. So that's there. And it's got a few pictures of us that he featured on his channel. And his channel is actually World's #1 Music Vibe.
Yeah.
Azul Horizon, if you're watching, I want to say enough respect and thank you, and one love. One love between all of us. You know, the love is mutual.
Yeah.
We really appreciate the acknowledgement.
Yeah, definitely.
You know, and look forward to your other mixes, and we will continue to recommend your mixes to everyone we meet, because it's our kind of music. We do like that
neo
kind
soul,
of neo chill,
hip hop soul.
Yeah,
hip hop soul. Neo soul and hip hop.
So that's another thing that makes us work.
Yeah.
You know, we have the same taste of music.
Definitely.
You know. So anyway, cheers to you guys.
Cheers to you guys.
We are gonna wrap up this vlog because we have
things to do.
You know? But if anything that we thought is noteworthy, we will mention it in our other vlog.
Exactly.
Okay, until next time.
Ciao.
Cheers.
Happy birthday.
Ciao for now. Signature.
Okay, do it again.
Until next time.
Cheers.
Cheers and ciao for now.
Ciao for now.
Happy birthday to Wife for Life.
Thank you.
It's hard for me to even drink.